Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most captivating mysteries in history, the story of the Titanic. Strap in and get ready, because we're about to uncover what really happened to the Unsinkable ship. Let's get started. The Titanic, a magnificent ocean liner, set sail on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, to New York City on April 10, 1912. But just 4 days later, tragedy struck. The ship collided with an iceberg and sank, resulting in the loss of over 1,500 lives. But what led to this devastating event? Let's explore the key factors. One important aspect was the construction of the Titanic itself. While considered a marvel of engineering at the time, some experts argue that the ship's builders took unnecessary risks. The Titanic was constructed with 16 compartments that were thought to be watertight, but it was later discovered that they didn't reach high enough, allowing water to spill over from one compartment to another. Another critical factor was the iceberg. On that fateful night of April 14, 1912, the Titanic received several iceberg warnings, but due to a combination of factors, including a lack of binoculars in the crow's nest and miscommunication in relaying the warnings to the bridge, the ship couldn't avoid the collision. When the Titanic struck the iceberg, it tore open several compartments, leading to a massive influx of water. The ship's design flaw, combined with the impact, caused the ship to sink gradually. The crew attempted to control the damage by closing watertight doors, but they didn't act swiftly enough to prevent the ship's tragic fate. As chaos ensued, the crew and passengers faced another significant challenge: the lack of lifeboats. The Titanic was equipped with lifeboats, but only enough to accommodate around half of the people on board. This shortage was due to a common belief at the time that ships like the Titanic were practically unsinkable. As a result, many lives were lost due to the insufficient number of lifeboats. In the aftermath of the sinking, rescue efforts were launched to save the remaining passengers. The RMS Carpathia, a nearby ship, responded to the Titanic's distress calls and managed to rescue over 700 survivors. This tragic event led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations, such as the implementation of sufficient lifeboats on all ships. And there you have it, the true story of what really happened to the Titanic. It was a combination of factors, from the ship's flawed design to the crew's response and the lack of lifeboats, that led to this unimaginable disaster. The sinking of the Titanic continues to captivate our imaginations and serves as a reminder of the importance of safety precautions at sea. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing historical content. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.